Next, we're in Green Bay, Wisconsin for a hearing. 25-year-old Taylor Shabiznis has been charged with first-degree intentional homicide, mutilating a corpse, and third-degree sexual assault. A year earlier, according to police, Shabiznis was smoking meth with her lover, 24-year-old Shad Therion. Then, during sex, she allegedly snapped and strangled Shad to death with a chain. The defendant then allegedly sexually abused Shad's body before dismembering him. This all happened in the basement of Shad's mother's house. She'd been asleep, but when she awoke and went downstairs, she found her son's head in a bucket. Shabiznis had fled the scene. Shad's mother immediately called police, who found Shabiznis at home later that night, with what police believed to be Shad's blood still on her clothes. She was arrested and officially charged. Shabiznis pled not guilty by reason of mental defect, and today she appears at a competency hearing in restraints alongside her attorney, Quinn Jolly. Jolly has just asked Judge Thomas Walsh for a delay so that his client can be further evaluated. The judge grants the request and pushes back the start date of the trial. But much to the surprise of Jolly, the decision sends Shabiznis into a rage.
Stop it. Stop it.
Shabiznis lunges at her attorney, swinging wildly. Jolly fends her off as this deputy springs into action.
Stop it.
And Shabiznis is taken to the ground. The deputy calls for help,
Rachel, call.
while Shabiznis continues kicking. A second deputy calls for backup over the radio.
They need a code 3 and branch 223 is on his way. Wrestling with Shabiznis.
The court is cleared as the deputies attend to Shabiznis.
You went off on your attorney, Taylor. You went crazy on your attorney.
You can't do that here.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you get your shoes on?
Deputies removed the defendant from the courtroom and escort her to a holding cell.
So she...
After a short break, the hearing reconvenes, and Jolly, who was uninjured in the attack, makes a request to the judge.
At this point, I'm going to put a motion in to withdraw from this matter.
2 weeks later, at a hearing where Shabiznis was escorted by 2 deputies,
State of Wisconsin versus Taylor Shabiznis.
the judge granted Jolly's motion request, and Shabiznis was assigned a new attorney from the State Public Defender's Office. She was not charged for the attack on Jolly. Shabiznis was evaluated and a few weeks later found competent to stand trial. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.